everyone, welcome to this webinar. This is Alexander here, and today I'm going to talk about YouTube SEO. I will cover the following topics as what are YouTube ranking factors, how you can do keyword research for YouTube, and how to monitor your performance on YouTube. This webinar is being recorded. If you need to replay it later in the future, no problem. You will receive a link as soon as we finish, and you will be able to watch this webinar and to replay it if necessary. If you have any questions during the session, feel free to submit them to the chat room or to the questions room, and after I finish my presentation, I will have a look and I will answer them. So, why is it important to do optimization for YouTube videos in general? First of all, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and is the first search engine for videos. And over 70% of the content that people watch on YouTube, it's determined by recommendation algorithm. That is why if you want to grow your YouTube traffic, you definitely need to focus on how to make your YouTube videos appear in search results more often. Moreover, since YouTube is owned by Google, this means that YouTube videos appear in organic search results more often than videos from any other source. And this is especially true if we are talking about such specific queries as, for example, asking for instructions or tutorials, or searching for reviews and unboxing videos or entertaining videos. And in most cases, such specific requests are best satisfied with video results. So people can see how to do some things, how to do certain exercises, for example. And that is why it is important to keep in mind that making a video and promoting your YouTube channel should actually become part of your content strategy. So, but what are the main ranking factors that help your videos appear in search results more often, specifically in YouTube search results? Everyone can create a video and upload it to YouTube, but there are some certain factors that determine why some videos appear in top results, why others stay at the bottom, and there is a specific set of factors that determines this. First of all, this is views. So a view is counted when a person watches a video for at least 30 seconds. And the repeated views are also counted, but you should not overdo with this, because if you watch the same video several times a day, YouTube will not count this, and these views will be ignored. The number of subscribers, so these are the real people who follow your YouTube channel. Your click-through rate. This is how many people clicked on your video through search results. Audience retention, this indicates how many people watch a video till the end and when they stop watching your videos. And usually this factor is really important, and it's considered even more important than, for example, the number of subscribers and views. It's really important to make videos that make people keep want to keep watching them. Engagement level, that's number of comments, replies, new subscribers that subscribe to your channel after a new video was published. Video quality, it appears that high definition videos tend to appear on better positions than low quality videos. Your channel authority, general authority of your channel, and actually video relevance. So this is how your video better fits the search intent. And speaking about video relevance, we definitely come to the topic of keyword research, because doing keyword research for YouTube, it helps you to find topics that people are interested in, new ideas for your videos, discover new keyword opportunities and phrases that you may add to your video description. So how to do keyword research for YouTube, and specifically using our Rand Tracker tool. Well, in general, Rand Tracker is not quite optimized for YouTube because basically it focuses on search engine optimization. Yeah, there are still some features that may help you with that, especially if you don't have any other tools that are specifically optimized for YouTube. So what are the steps that you can follow when doing keyword research on YouTube? First of all, you have to build your keyword hierarchy. This means that first you have to define the general topics that you wish to make your videos about. Then define subcategories, for example, brands, product categories. And for each subcategory, you have to specify a list of specific items or terms. For example, if you are going to make a video or YouTube channel about reviews of garden instruments and tools, you can set, so your topic category is going to be garden instruments and tools, while your subcategories can be different types of instruments, such as chainsaws, brush cutters, or lawn trimmers. And then for every category you can set subcategories such as the types of chainsaws. This can be petrol, battery powered, or electric chainsaws, or you can use subcategories as the name of brands, for instance Stihl or Husqvarna. Or if you don't want to go that deep, you may start with the specific models of those instruments, like Makita or Echo, or some other models that you may find popular. After that, after you build this keyword map, this will help you to understand the structure to build actually the structure of your YouTube channel. You will have a better picture and a better overview and a better plan of the videos that you need to make. After that, you can start with keyword research and collecting keyword ideas. And this is where Rand Tracker can help you, because in general, getting keyword ideas from YouTube, you may use these keyword research methods available in your project. So you have to open Rand Tracker project, go to keyword research, autocomplete tools, and in this menu you have to select YouTube. Then you have to specify your seed keyword. So as a seed keyword, you may use your actually either the names of the categories or the names of subcategories, and Rand Tracker will collect keyword ideas directly from YouTube using the autocomplete feature. So these are, if we go to YouTube, this autocomplete will be all these suggestions that appear in YouTube when you're searching for something. Those, most probably these are the most frequently asked questions on YouTube that people use when making a search. So the software will collect all these suggestions, but as you see, this is quite an extensive list of results, and it's not quite clear which of them might be good for your videos and which are not, because as you understand, some of these keywords might be popular, some of these keywords might be less popular. And although we do have the search volume here, this search volume is taken from Google Ads Keyword Planner, and it actually is for organic search. So this is the search volume for keywords that are searched in Google, not on YouTube. And actually these metrics do not overlap. So the YouTube search volume, it can be different than it's not the same as the Google search volume. That's why you should not rely completely on this column when evaluating your keywords for YouTube. So what can you do? How can you decide which of these keywords might be good for you to use? There is some trick that you may use in Rand Tracker for that. So first you have to select all these keywords and add them to the main target keywords module. So we right click, choose move selected keywords to Rand Tracking, select ungrouped, and now we go to Rand Tracker, target keywords, Rand Tracking, and here we have all our keywords. Now we have to check their positions in Google. It's important to do that because this way Rand Tracker will be able to collect and see what types of results are returned by Google for these keywords. So first we have to open preferences, preferred search engines, rank checking mode, go and enable this record SERP history box. After that, return to the project, click check rankings, and check positions for all these keywords in Google only. After that, you need to add the Google SERP features column to your project. So you click this submenu, search for SERP features, and enable it. And this will give you the column with all SERP features that appear on Google results for this keyword. And now if we use the advanced filter and set to show us only the keywords with Google SERP features that contains videos, like that. So now we have a list of results and the list of keywords for which Google tends to show video results. So pay attention to these icons. If you see that this video icon, so this is the video icon, so this means that for this keyword Google return a video result. So if you search for this keyword, on Google directly, you will see that actually this result appears at the top. So if you create a video for this keyword and this video appears in Google organic positions, then most probably you will be able to grab quite a lot of traffic from this video, not from YouTube, but directly from Google organic search, which will reflect on your video views and definitely will help your video to rank better on YouTube too. So, and pay attention to the position of this icon, because if it stands at the beginning, this means that most probably the YouTube results appear on the first page. So it does not correlate directly, but still it appears that the SERP results, video results, stay somewhere at the top of Google results. That is why it may help you to find out even keywords which are best suited with video results. Moreover, if you switch to the SERP, if for example you select specific keyword, you go to the SERP analysis, SERP history, and there you will be able to find the specific link to the video that was returned by Google for this request. So if you follow this link, it will open you this specific video on YouTube, and you will be able to quickly check these views, the number of views that this video receives, and the number of comments, likes and dislikes, and this will help you to decide whether this video is actually popular or not. So of course this involves some manual work, but actually following this strategy can help you to build an initial list of results that are most likely to give you some views and most likely to attract some traffic on your videos. After that, you have your list of keywords, and you can start building your YouTube channel, creating your videos. So what are like the most common tips that may help you to rank your video on YouTube? So first of all, that is it is necessary to include your target keywords and into your title and meta description of your video. And usually it's better to place them at the beginning, because YouTube algorithm pay attention to the keywords that appear at the very beginning of the description and those that are more prominent in the text. Second, you may try to use brackets and parentheses, and actually it appears that using brackets in YouTube titles help to increase your video click-through rate. So, and some researchers show that it may be increased up to 30% just by adding some keywords into titles or within parentheses in your YouTube title. Next, try to increase your engagement, such as comments, shares, likes, and subscribers. For example, you may ask your viewers a multiple choice question, because if you ask them a simple questions which makes them think, most probably users will not be so willing to submit a comment because they will have to think what to write about. Instead, you may ask them a multiple choice question, and they will be able to use one of the choices as their replies to your video. So this may help you to increase user engagement, and this audience engagement with your video within your video will increase your organic outreach too. Also, try to embed your videos. For example, you have a blog or a site, embed your videos to relevant pages. Use tags in your videos, but avoid staffing, because the main problem with tags is that people try to overdo with that. They add multiple tags to a single video, which makes it very confusing for YouTube algorithm to decide what kind of category this video belongs to. Instead, you may try to follow the same pattern as in your keyword map. So you give like 1 to 3 tags that describe your general category, then several tags for subcategory, and several tags for the item. So adding 10-11 tags to a video is more than enough to create a good list of tags. And try to appear in the suggestions area. The main thing is that the views that you receive from a video, and they do not come only from organic search, but very often they come from the suggestions area. So for example, all these videos that appear in the suggestions area can also attract a lot of viewers, and people tend to click on those videos. And how can you appear in this suggestions area? Actually, these suggested videos, they are based on 2 things. So these are the videos that you watched in previously and the video that you're watching now. So if you try to optimize your video for the same keywords as some popular video on YouTube, most probably you're likely to appear in this suggested area. One more thing that you may find confusing is how to find the tags that a video is optimized for, because some time ago those tags were available in the description here, but it's no longer possible to see that. So instead, if you want to find some tags, you can, and actually you should view the source code of the page. So if you right click in your browser and choose view page source code, this will open the code of the page, and you have to make a search for the following element: meta name equal keyword. So this will show you the direct element that includes all tags for this video, so you may copy them and use in your tags or in your title, and this will help you to appear in the suggested video for similar videos like this one. And after that, after you created your video, submitted them, and started following, in Rand Tracker you can use YouTube search engine to track your progress within YouTube. So you can add the search engine by going to Preferences, Preferred Search Engines, search for YouTube. So you add it to the project, and after that you have to add your YouTube URL to the list of alternative URLs. So we have to copy this video URL, not the channel URL, but exactly the video URL, and add it to Rand Tracker under Preferences, Alternative URLs. So now if you check positions for these keywords in YouTube, you will be able to see how exactly this YouTube video is ranking for these keywords. So this may help you to track your progress. The same way you can add multiple video URLs, so it's not limited to only one single video that you may add, but you may add actual all videos from your channel, and Rank Tracker will be tracking the progress and will showing you how exactly you're ranking on YouTube for these videos. So that's how it works with Rank Tracker, and that's how our tools may help you with your YouTube progress and with your YouTube keyword research. Looks like we have some question. Yeah, never thought about brackets. Yeah, that's a good idea. By the way, you may notice that there are a lot of videos nowadays that use in brackets, and it really shows that it's attracting user engagement. So yeah, I recommend you to add some brackets to titles. It really helps. So thank you all for being with me today. Looks like we have no more questions, and once again, if you decide to replay this video later, you will receive the link and you will be able to watch it. So thank you once again, and wait for our next webinar and join us on our YouTube channel. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.